The first thing you notice about this typewriter when you use it, pick it up, whatever, is how heavy it is. It's probably close to like 20 pounds. It has that like old metallic smell to it, maybe like old oil. It doesn't smell like bad, like moldy, it just smells like machine. When you walk by this typewriter, you could smell it. Looks nice, it's fun to use. It's not completely practical, so why even get this? I just had a kid about 4 months ago. You start thinking about different things when you have a kid. Like, what kind of household do you want the kid to grow up in? You start thinking about like, what do you want around your house? What is the environment like? Recently, I heard a quote. I think it was from Ryan Holiday. I'm not sure if it was his quote, but he said something along the lines of, think about the person who you want your child to become as they grow, and you, as their parent, just be that person now. And so that brings us to the typewriter. I don't want my kid to be the kid that's constantly on their screen, almost like an addiction. I want them to be able to navigate the physical world with some competence, not be afraid of using power tools, not being afraid of figuring out how things work, like if they need to ever change their oil or build something. I think it's actually just much more interesting tactile experience growing up. Like I said, there's like a smell to this, there's a feel to this, you could feel the keys. Look at a cell phone, it looks like it could have been sent from an alien world. There's no sign at all that humans could have even made that. There's no way to even figure out how it works. Yeah, you could pry a iPhone open and you look at it. There's not really much there for like a kid to go on without, having to start reading textbooks. But when you look at a typewriter, everything is exposed. You could see that, when I push this button, the type actually moves. You could see how it works. Everything is here. You could take this apart, you could repair it. I want to keep creating an environment and a home, and I want to keep becoming more of the person that fixes things, knows how to use tools, build stuff. That is the reason why I got this typewriter. It's kind of like another notch, another step in that direction long term.